So good evening to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Andhra Cement share. So it's also recommended in the comment section. So whenever any share you want any particular levels or you want any particular analysis on that, you can definitely mention in the comment section so that I will make a video on it. Almost all the shares which have been recommended in comment section, I have made videos on it. Okay, and people are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So today we'll see about Andhra Cements. So it is also a penny stock, and it was also most recommended, so I've decided to make a video on it. So we'll discuss the complete fundamentals as well as the technicals. We'll try to find out the levels. Okay, whenever you are entering into a penny stock, you need to observe the price action. Okay, even in the Brightcom group share which I discussed in my earlier videos, exactly it has gap filled and then it has given a bounce back. So always focus on the supports as well as the resistances. Okay, don't blindly enter into any stock. Okay, now let's discuss about this company. Okay, so Andhra Cements, okay, is a cement manufacturing company. You can see that it was incorporated in the year 1936. So it is a very long back established company, and it was the one of the first generation cement plant. Okay, first generation cement plant, and was established in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and now it is a part of JP Group. So people who know are aware of JP Group, JP Associates. Okay, it's also a penny stock. It trades around, I guess, 2 rupees. So it's a part of that company. Okay, brand via JP Cement is India's leading cement brand. Okay, you can see it is a part of you can see parent organization is JP Development and Corporation Limited. Okay, and similarly you can see the stock price currently is around 5.95, and it is given an upper circuit. We know that it was continuously hitting lower circuits since past few weeks, and now it has given a reversal. So we'll understand the concept behind that reversal. So did it follow any pattern? So that is the main thing you need to understand at that particular point of time. So we'll discuss that on charts. Now let us see the basic overview as well as shareholding. Okay, if you see the market cap of this particular company is almost 174 crores, and if you see no dividend, okay, and if you see industry P is 24.35, and current P is not there for it. So company has reported losses. Okay, it's a loss making company, and we know that cement sector is a very good sector, but we need to be very choosy whenever we are building our portfolio, especially in these type of cement sector. Okay, since it is in losses, we'll also try to find out the latest financials of this company as well. And if we see, deliveries is almost 100%. Okay, next. Okay, next if we see the shareholding, so we can see that almost promoters are having a 68.79%, so almost flat holding. Next if you see pledging, okay, pledging is little bit disturbing in this share because almost 75% pledging is present in this particular company. And if you see FI's holding is almost 2.52%, and rest of all you can see total DIs are having a 11.39%. Okay, rest of all everything is zero. Insurance companies 0.1%. Okay, so only one thing is disturbing, that the pledging which is very high, almost 75%. Okay, so that's why the share was dragged back almost when the share was listed from that point to a current situation. Almost the stock has remained a penny only. Okay, because of the pledging as well. Okay, it has remained in that position. So you need to see all these factors whenever you are investing in a heavy quantity in these type of shares. You can invest less quantity, not more. Okay, because on safer side we don't know what will happen, that's why we can invest in less quantity. Okay, now let's see the strengths, weaknesses, and what are the opportunities which are available in this particular company. Okay, right now no strengths for this particular company. We can see the weaknesses. So weaknesses are only the profit which has been declining. You can see almost the profit, quarterly net profit has decreased year on year as well as quarter on quarter. Okay, decline net profit with falling profit margin, degrowth in quarterly revenue. Okay, book value per share is deteriorating. You can see almost it's in negative right now. So you can see book value is decreasing, profits are decreasing as well as revenue. So we can say that entire financials of this company are not great. Okay, right at this particular situation. Okay, next, if we see the opportunities, we can see that after so much of lower circuits, now a positive movement was seen, and we need to see will it continue that journey or not. And P is less than 10 and highest recovery from 52-week low. Okay, from 52-week low it has a good recovery. So whenever anyone are doing positional trading in these type of stocks, then definitely they'll get a very good amount of profit. Yes or no? Because they, once they start from a low point, then they go to the resistance level, again they start retracing. Okay, so when you have a idea of a set of levels as well as price action movement, then definitely you can make a good amount of profit. I'll make a video on price action definitely. After the 2000 subscribers are completed, definitely I'll make one video on price action as well. Okay, next, what are the threats available to the company? You can see that RSI is still indicating little weakness, and these are the results, that is revenue, profit and profit margin have decreased. Okay, next let us see the other fundamentals. Okay, if you see the returns which are given by this company, you can see that almost in 6 months it has given 190.24% returns, and in 5 years and 2 years it has given negative returns, and you can see in 3 months it has given a 60% returns. Okay, that's why I told you, whenever you're doing a short term investment or trading in these type of stocks, and definitely you'll get this much amount of profit. You can see long term there are not much profits, but when you see in mid-term or short term, you can see a very good amount of profits. For that you need to have a right entry as well as a exit. Okay, I'll make that video so that you'll have a clarity on it. Okay, now let's see the results of this. Okay, when you see the March 2020 quarter results, you can see that year on year, you can see revenue has almost dropped 85.24%. Net income is in negative, diluted EPS, net profit is also in negative. Only company is in losses. The simple reason is that company has reported losses, so that is the main reason that the share has continuously given a lower circuit since the past few weeks. Now what to do? If you have entered yesterday, or you're willing to enter to as to do positional trading or want to invest, for those people you can watch the technicals which I'll discuss now. Okay, focus on the levels so that you can enter or you can exit at any point of time. Okay,